Good morning and welcome to today's episode of Geordie Day Tripper. That's me. And today we're in the lovely little town of Hexham in Northumberland in northeast England. And the first thing I'm going to do is visit the leisure centre. It's called Wentworth Leisure Centre, and go for a little swim because that's what I like to do when I visit different towns. Try and visit all the leisure centres for a little swim if I can. And then later on we're going to go for a little explore around Hexham. So I'll see you soon, guys. Hi guys, that was a lush swim this morning, really nice pool, and you can just book it really easy through the Places Leisure app. And I've definitely earned me Halloween themed packed lunch. But unfortunately it's absolutely pouring with rain today. It's eased off a little bit now, but because it's pouring with rain I've had to literally just sit in the bandstand to eat my lunch because all of the benches are kind of open. Even the ones under the trees, it's still a bit wet and rainy. So I've had my lunch, I'm going to have a little bit more of an explore, and then there's a couple of activities in Hexham that I'm going to do this afternoon. So once again, I shall see you in a little bit, guys.
that is not always successful if their families are determined on releasing them. Fetch me, Sergeant!
Ironies, a theft never before heard of in these parts, and I did get them betrayed, sent to Newcastle Jail, and hanged.
Have you got the same?
Yeah, but yesterday it was absolutely lovely day.
Yes, certainly.
Ground.
Oh, that was really canny. So I just visited Hexham Old Jail and it was really informative, and they've also got a Halloween skull trail on at the moment with it being the October half term, so try and spot all the skulls that you can. I didn't manage to spot them all, but the staff were really nice and I still got to get a prize. Yay! And brilliant news, the rain has stopped at long last and the sun's shining, hooray! So while the sun's shining, I'm going to have a little walk around, I think it's called Tyne Green Park, and try and catch some of all of these beautiful autumn colours. So I'll see you soon, guys. Oh, what an absolutely lovely park this is. Absolutely perfect for a lovely Sunday afternoon stroll in all the beautiful autumn colours. And now I'm going to head back up into the town and I'm going to go to Hexham Abbey because there's an art installation there at the moment that I want to see, and I think it's called Gaia. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And I'm going to head up there and check that out now. So I'll see you soon, guys. there's beautiful Gaia from the top of the world. Oh, that was absolutely lovely. I really enjoyed that. Hexham Abbey is such a beautiful old building, and the Gaia art installation, the big globe, that was just absolutely fab. Really enjoyed seeing it. It's here until the 16th of November, so I'd highly recommend coming to visit. And that's my canny little day trip done in Hexham. So it's a canny little town for a canny little day trip. I definitely recommend it. And I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this video of my little adventures today. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. And I will see you on the next one. So take care everyone. Tatty byes.